I just arrived in America, and I need a SIM card to start my journey.
Matter.
This $50 prepaid plan has unlimited data, and you will never get lost in New York.
Communication is sorted. Now it's time to drive to the hotel and enjoy my vacation. New York streets are gorgeous. I must get to the hotel quickly to see the night view. Wait, what is happening? I didn't do anything wrong. This is my first day.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please turn off the engine and put your hands on the wheel.
Hello, officer. I'm not sure what I did wrong. Was I driving too fast?
You were driving 45 in a 30 miles an hour zone. That is very dangerous in this area.
I'm so sorry. This is a rental car, and I was looking for my hotel, so I missed the sign.
I'll give you a warning this time. Drive safely. New York doesn't welcome reckless drivers.
Finally at the AFU Hotel. The nightmare on the road surely ends here.
Welcome, Miss Olivia. You booked a king room for 3 nights. I need your card for a $50 deposit. Here is your key for room 5112. Breakfast is free from 8 a.m. Have a wonderful stay. What is this? This is a closet, not a king room. Are they kidding me? Hello, AFU Hotel. I'm in room 512, and this room is way too small compared to the booking. Miss Olivia, I am very sorry, but the system shows we are out of king rooms right now. I planned this for a long time. If I don't get a king room, I will write a terrible review. Good news. The manager found a king room on the 6th floor. We will move your bags now. Finally on a king bed. But wait, why is it so hot in here? Unbelievable. Is the AC broken too? My first day is a complete disaster. Hello, room 612. The air conditioner isn't working. Please send someone to check it immediately.
Hello, I'm from maintenance. Let me see what's wrong with this unit. The compressor is fried. We can't fix it now. You'll have to change rooms again.
Change rooms again? I just unpacked. I am so tired of this service.
Very sorry for the trouble. That's not way. To make it up to you, dinner and spa are free tonight.
Room 6118. I hope this is the final stop. Free dinner? That sounds okay. I'd like to order a medium steak with salad, mashed potatoes, and sparkling water. Yes, medium steak at 7:30 p.m. Do you need any extra napkins or special utensils? By the way, I have a jacket and a suit that need dry cleaning tonight. Can you pick them up? Someone will be there in 15 minutes.
Enjoy your dinner in room 6118.
Great, this smell makes me forget all the frustrations from this afternoon. This steak is so tender. Maybe the hotel is trying to save its reputation with food. This is a real vacation. All the stress from the road and the lobby is finally fading away. My first day in New York was a bit rocky, but ending it like this isn't bad at all.
A very nice apology from the manager. Fine. I won't write that bad review after all.
Good night, New York. Tomorrow will be a promising day of exploration. Every trouble is part of the travel experience. New York, I'm ready for real now.
Good morning! Where is the free breakfast? I need energy for my city walk. New York isn't for the faint of heart, but it's definitely for those who know how to enjoy. Wow! This is the heart of the world. It's even more magnificent than in the movies. The digital map says turn left, but the road is blocked. Looks like a film crew is here.
A quiet little corner in the middle of noisy New York. What a great find. This 5G is fast. This photo is gonna make all my friends jealous.
Central Park is like a giant green lung. I feel like I'm truly at one with New York.
There it is. The icon I have always dreamed of seeing with my own eyes. So moving. Look, Mom, I'm in New York. Yesterday was rough, but today is absolutely amazing.
Can't leave New York without this legendary shirt. I have to buy some for the whole family.
The subway is like a maze, but it holds the entire culture of this city. New York street food is simple, but the flavor is no joke. Need a hand?
Maps are tricky in this wind. Try using your GPS instead.
Thanks. I'm looking for the invisible gallery.
Just down that alley.
Just down that alley.
This place is magical. Did you paint all of these yourself?
Yes, I did. Welcome.
Every painting here tells a story of a different street.
This one reminds me of my arrival yesterday. It was chaotic, but beautiful. Walking above the city streets feels like a dream. New York never stops surprising me.
You look like you've walked a mile. Want some dark chocolate? It helps.
Thank you. Thank you. I've walked 5 miles today. Is it always this busy?
In New York, busy means alive. Enjoy every second of the noise. tacos, lobster rolls, and pasta all in one place. Where do I start?
One Hell's Kitchen taco coming up. Be careful, it's got a real kick.
That's the spiciest thing ever, but delicious.
The music just flows through the air. The city has its own heartbeat.
Thank you, sister.
Enjoy the rhythm of the village tonight.
Wanna take this record is the perfect souvenir.
Great choice. This was recorded 3 blocks away in 1959. Pure history.
It's so lively. Everyone seems free to be whoever they want to be.
Don't think about the steps. Just move. That's the New York way. I'm finally starting to understand this city. It's the energy, not the buildings.
Is it always this hard to find a dryer?
On a Sunday? You're lucky. I'm studying for the bar exam. Even laundry is a study session here.
I've seen this in 100 movies, but being here, it's breathtaking. Excuse me, could you take a photo? Sure. Give us a big smile. This is my favorite photo of the whole trip. Thank you so much. Every corner is a postcard. I'm gonna run out of storage on my phone. Okay, I was told I have to fold the slice to eat it like a real New Yorker. Best. Pizza. Ever. Forget the diet, I'm staying here forever. Entertainment, even while waiting. This city is truly a stage. It's crowded and loud, but it's definitely efficient.
A cathedral for travelers. I could watch people rush by for hours.
Oh no, it's 7:45. The show starts in 15 minutes. I have to run. Excuse me. Sorry. Please don't let the curtain go up yet.
Just in time, ma'am. Head to aisle 4. Enjoy the magic.
This is incredible. The singing, it's worth every penny.
Even the rain feels like it belongs in a movie. An unforgettable night.
Do you guys ever close?
Honey, this city never sleeps. 24/7.
I came as a tourist, but I've left a piece of my heart on these streets.
Still driving safe?
Yes, walking is much safer today.
Tomorrow I head home. I'm exhausted, but my soul is full.
Goodbye, New York. You were a nightmare at first, but you became the best dream.